How is that cookie?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it yummy?
Mm.
Do you like cookies with the holes?
Bleeding.
It's bleeding?
Yeah, bleeding though.
Again, I didn't know you were bleeding to begin with.
We should come off and break it off.
Oh, 'cause it's chocolate. It's not blood.
The blood.
I think it's just chocolate.
Come off again. Come off.
He's a good boy. Thank you for washing. Oh, you still have more. Let me give you another one. Your face is still dirty. Do your cheeks.
Cheek right here.
On the other side. Oh, not yet. Do your fingers.
Like that.
Yeah, get all the chocolate off of them. Just, no. Still have some on you.
I just cleaned it off.
Good.
What are you gonna do?
Well, I get you out. What are you going to do when you get out?
Mommy, you got to me.
You're already mostly out.
Think I got again. Where is it? Get a 9. Where is it?
It's not blood, silly. It's from your cookie. Whoa, miss.
No one.
This one.
No one.
Where are we at right now?
Let's go.
Do you like it here?
Where are you gonna put it here?
Okay. Do you like it here?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about waiting in the car for so long?
Oh,
Oh, no. Do you like playing with Mommy?
yeah. No more.
Yeah.